Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. Happy New Year everyone, January 24. A lot of big things going to be coming up this year, right? Election year, so turn off the TV, do whatever. Get out and vote though, right? You always want to do that. You know, beginning of the year, great time to reset. Think about things that you want to accomplish. You know, everybody does that every year, but you know, follow through on them. So if it's, you know, getting your financial plan together, maybe getting your estate plan together, any of those financial goals that you want to hit, really great time at the beginning of the year to do that. So this month's newsletter have a lot of exciting stuff. We have a really good whiteboard on 5 key points about the rule of 55 for early retirement, right? Remember those railroaders that might have 30 years, they can leave early. So these are things that you want to watch out if you're going to use the rule of 55 for that. Mailbag, deciding to leave early. Am I leaving valuable benefits, right? So that's another big thing. Once again, that early railroad retirement issues that you want to think about, making sure you don't leave anything on the table, especially you work so hard for. Some interesting stuff I have on the economic numbers, or charts I should say, especially as I mentioned, election year coming up. So how do stocks perform during election years? So take a look at that chart, very interesting. It goes back I think to 1926. All right, so you know, hopefully that will put everything in perspective. And then finally, real fun flow chart I put in there at the end. Am I ready for the new year? So it's kind of a little bit funny stuff there. So take a look at that, download that. So once again, I want to wish everybody a happy new year, and look forward to putting out some more videos and content for you railroaders. So until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, take care. So long, everybody. Bye.